My name is Brendan Giles. I'm the founder and CEO of Athena Intelligence. At Athena Intelligence, our mission is to bring human-machine teaming to data analytics. We're building an artificial employee, an AI data analyst for enterprises. So for us, Gretel has allowed our extremely small team to build extremely bespoke demos and environments for what we call pilots for our customers. So in most enterprise sales, the ability to articulate the problem directly back to them is one of the best ways to kind of get in the door and to prove the value of your software or your service. For example, if we were to walk into McKesson tomorrow, we would spend probably days, if not weeks, leading up to that meeting, preparing a bunch of synthetic data by going into Excel and typing out a bunch of things we believe is relevant to the team that we're meeting with. Nowadays, 15 minutes before the call, we can be doing this. And even crazier, we've actually started now doing it live with the customer. The shrinkage from time to deploy with a customer is now from probably 6 weeks. Today, we can do that within 1 to 2 days. For us, the Gretel Navigator product and team has allowed our team, a very, very small group, to build bespoke pilots, allowing us to serve a significant portion of customers that we didn't have access to today.